Hell yeah.
Yo, before we get into video, I'm doing this on a Sunday like I usually do. This Sunday is different. Kanye West released Donda, and I had planned to come to the shop to do this unboxing real quick, but I almost got thrown off because on my way of getting ready, my oldest son, which is a music head like me, runs into the room and say, yo,
Donda drop.
so I got caught up listening to that. But here we are real quick. You know what I'm talking about? Before the rest of my day gets started. Got my little chest hairs out, little chest hairs, right? But before we get into the video, if you like my videos, dislike the videos. If you like my videos, like the videos. If you dislike my videos, dislike the videos. You can comment, share, subscribe. I know a lot of people was watching my last video and they told me I should clean up my station. But if you listen to the video, I say my station is messy, but nothing's out of place. It's not really messy, it's just a lot of stuff. I'm like a hoarder of stuff. So that's why it's a lot of stuff that I actually use on my station. Just a heads up real quick. Not saying that anybody was like, it's no hate type thing. It's just, I got a lot of stuff on my station. It is what it is. But, and welcome to the unboxing. We're about to add a few more things. Boom. We got the whole shebang, boom, from Babyliss, right? So we're gonna start with the unboxing. I haven't even used these. I've had these in for 2 weeks or about a week or so. And the reason I haven't even opened them yet is because I have a lot of stuff that I've been using, but we're rearranging some stuff. But we're gonna start with the shaver first. FX3, the professional high-speed foil shaver. Let's see what they got. Auto shut-off cover. So if you place the cover on, it cuts off. I like that. I like that. That's kind of cool. Lithium-ion battery, high-speed rotary motor, 10,000 RPM, cordless, of course. I got the hanging hook for the. I got this. So I wasn't able to make it to the CTExpo, which is where they released these at. But I got online the next day and they was there. So boom, here we are. They got 3-hour runtime, which is good for a shaver. They got the 4-stage LED indicator, I guess when it's done. So let's get this out of here real quick. We don't need to make this video long. All right, how we gonna, boom, there we go. And as you can see, they got the Babyliss be doing the Ferrari stuff. So this is oh, I thought it was fancy. It's not fancy, but anyway, you get the shaver, you get the Babyliss charger, of course, carrying bag. And that's it. And get some Babyliss stickers. But here's the machine. It's light, which is good. Not a heavy machine. They take it off. Boom, pop it off. All right. Nice machine, 2 foil shaver. Gold, the red, the Ferrari look. I like it. It's nice. Like I said, very light. Nothing heavy. Let's see if that works. The putting it on. Let me see. Ha! See how they do it? They got the button. So when you turn the button on, you can see that line right there. It goes above where you put the lid on. And once you put the lid on, that's cool. That's cool. So they didn't even have to go like crazy technology to do that. They just made it where to turn it fully on. Boom. That's not even like crazy technology, but it's cool to add on a shaver like that. All right, that's cool. I like that. I sees your Babyliss. Little something extra. Boom. We're gonna get into the clipper. Now this is not your normal clipper with the lever and all that stuff. If I can get this tape off. But tape nonetheless to keep me protected. Set that over there. Take the clipper out real quick. We'll get to that in a second. Let's see what comes with it. You get your guards. And of course, like I said, this is not a regular style clipper. There's no levers, but it do come with your guards made for the clipper. Looks like it comes up to a 6. Get your oil, your brush, your screwdriver, your charger. And now I got a client pulling up. So let's see.
A few moments later.
All right, so we back a couple hours later, having a couple clients on this Sunday. With that being said, the Donda album so far, I'm a Kanye West fan, so anyway, Donda album, good. And I don't remember where I truly left off when recording this, but I know we was on the Clippers. So, let's just get to the Clippers, right? The machine. I don't know if I showed you the machine. Comes with the guards. It looks like it come up to a 6 guard. Maybe from the half guard up to the 6. Come with your charger, your oils, your pamphlet, and your holding strap. Like I was saying, I don't know if I said it, but they released these at the CTExpo, and if you bought the whole package, you got a carrying case to go with it. I did not go to the Barber Expo, so I ordered online, and I did not want to pay that much for the carrying case for the simple fact that I don't do a lot of traveling haircuts, so I didn't pay for it. But take all this out of here, see what this is. This is the Clipper. It's nickel titanium blade, lithium polymer battery, 5 decent locking quick taper. So I guess it's opening it up and close. It got 2 speeds, 6,000 RPM on a slow speed, 7,000 on the high speed. Kind of like the JRL. The JRL give you 6,500 on the slow speed, 75, I think, on the high, something like that. Come with 8 guards up to the 6. So 5-hour runtime, not bad. 5-hour runtime. Don't say how long it takes to charge, but either way, this is the machine. I've only used one clipper like this, and that was the JRL. I reviewed that a little while ago, but quiet, the speeds, high speed. That slow speed feels very weak to me. I don't know. Once you get it up to the high, it feels like it got a little power. That's the Ferrari motor in there. And then here's the opening. So that's closed. Pushing it up, close it. Pushing that button in to open it all the way up. Again, haven't used these yet. That is not close whatsoever, but I'm not gonna mess with it. Of course, I like to use them out the box. This has got a little weight to it. It's not heavy. Blade pop off like most of the clippers like designed like this do. So, charging port. I don't know if they got a charging dock for these, or if the new Babyliss for the FX, the original, the Gold series, is going to fit these in it. I have no idea, but we shall see. But that's the clipper. Haven't used them yet. I do like that matte finish on the back for gripping. And I do like the ergonomical design, kind of like the Gamma Ergos. I do like that look. It's not as much as the Ergos, which, you know, it feels fine in your hand. And I do like that bend on front, because when you're fading, boom, you can just click open, and it got guards for it. So we will be using this. I did not know if I didn't really like the JRL version of this, only because of the guards that you had to fit. It's like the way to put them on, I didn't really care too much for, but these seem to click right on. So I was about to find the lever to open them. So we will be using this. We will put this to use this week, and I will do a review on these, or on this clipper here. All right, so that's the clipper. Now let's get to the trimmer. Got rattled around in delivery, but it's cool. But we do have the trimmer here. Let's go ahead and get this tape off of here, like the last go around. The tape is hugging on the side, hugging. If I can get it. There we go. Open them up. Same design. I don't know if I showed y'all how it opened up, but it got the cover on it. Trimmer, clipper, shaver exposed. And, you know, take this off of here. Come with the little plastic. Everything is under there. That's the trimmer. Don't come with much, just the charger. That's the packaging. That's how everything come. It's not a, this is the only cover over the actual machine. It's not like an extra box or anything. Once you take this off, the trimmer and clippers and stuff is right there. So this is the trimmer. I do like that they gave it that scoop there, just like the clipper. It's a nice matching set. It's cool. Ferrari, if that means anything, I don't know. But it comes with the blade. I don't know if it's the same gold blade. Look a little thinner. Also with the black cutting blade though. So that's the trimmer. Not too much to it. I do like the gold blades. I don't know if it's a mental thing with me, but it's like when the T outliners released with the gold blade. I like the gold blade. When the JRL 2020 T released the version with the gold blade, it's like, in my mind, it made everything cut better. It made everything cut smoother. You can hear, and I'm guessing that's the, not guessing, that's the LED light there. So I got me some full charge and it lets you know when it go down. I do like that. I know I was saying that some trimmers should, or some products should come with a countdown and all that stuff. But with the notches on it, I'm not mad at that because I know where I'm getting to. That's like 100, 100%, 25, 50, 75, 100. I'm not mad at that. Let's see what included. Lithium polymer battery, 7200 RPM, 4 hours of runtime. So with the shaver, you get 3 hours of runtime. With the trimmer, you get 4 hours. And with the clipper, you get 5 hours. If they actually do hold up with their runtime, these seem like it'll be a great set to use all day long, especially if you got your double set of any one of these. It seemed like, I mean, you can't go wrong. You get what I'm saying? It's like having the JR. I know I say JRL, but JRL Gamma, or the 2020C from JRL, and the Mythic from Stylecraft Gamma are my two favorite clippers to compare stuff to because they last and all that extra stuff. All right. It's a new Ferrari design, high efficacy torque brushless engine. So it's a brushless motor, ergonomic housing, 4-stage LED. We already spent that, talked about that. And it do got the 360 exposed blade. Oh, so fresh out the box, we will not be using that. Just a little tap on my wrist is that's sharp. So glad I used it on my arm first before I put it on clients, which if you don't know, that's a good way to kind of test because here your skin is more sensitive, blah, blah, all that good stuff. So when I take trimmers out, I test them on my arm before I put them on a client. So that's good I did that with this because I don't want to put that on anybody's skin. So fresh out the box, that's pretty sharp. It's too sharp. But that's the unboxing of the FX3 collection. We'll use this for about a week or two. I'm gonna try to see if I can set these because they are sharp. And we'll actually be putting these to use. I do like this, and I do like that the guards just snap on. It's like a regular clipper, so I like that. But yeah, we be back sometime with the review of this. Sometime. If you like the video, you hit the thumbs up. If you dislike it, you hit the thumbs down. Comment, share, subscribe. And we'll be back with another review. I've been doing the reviews and unboxings kind of together, but this was, all right. I'm gonna review these separately though. I don't want to make too long of videos. As y'all know, I like to say that and then make long videos. And here we are, also at a longer video than expected. So I'm out. Peace.